Hi, I'm Carl from Position Partners, and today we're doing some unboxing video of the E60. The iMEX E60 is our entry-level rotating laser package. It includes a tripod and staff, the receiver. This unit, a fully self-leveling laser. It comes with, as I said, we've got our little tripod, 2-metre staff, and the receiver. And the beauty of this, it's all packed in the box together. It's a great one to start if you're doing general site levelling and you want to start, you're not using it all the time, but you need your package all together. It runs on 4 AA batteries. We have the calibration certificate with each unit. Has a 3-year warranty. First calibration free, can be claimed within 12 months of purchase. Your manual, little target plate if you're trying to be able to see it without using the receiver, and then your receiver with your bracket. So that goes onto your staff for taking your levels. So E60, mounted onto the tripod, screw it in so it's nice and tight, gives it a good foundation. This unit's very, very easy to use. Fully self-leveling to 5 degrees. Switch the unit on. Once it's level, it will start to spin. Now, these units are automatic self-leveling units, so if the unit is bumped or knocked at all on site, it will stop and restart again and level itself again. Also, the unit has a tilt level warning function on this button here, so it'll override. If we press this button, the light will begin to flash. Now, if the laser is knocked, however, on site, it will now override it, so the light will start to flash faster and it won't level up. So we need to go back and check our datum point. If we press the button again, it will level, start the spin, and then we'll know whether we need to adjust. If you're doing general concreting, landscaping, bricklaying, it's a really good option for you. This unit is a horizontal only laser, so it levels on the horizontal plane only, but it is really easy to set up, fully self-leveling, runs on 4 AA batteries. You have your receiver, your tripod, and your staff as mentioned.